I could not resist the temptation of holding him in my arms, a healthy baby boy who has set this part of Chongwe district talking. At only 3 months, the baby, whose real name has been withheld, is said to have uttered his first words on the 23rd of October this year, exactly 2 months after he was born.
Anamba pa 24 October 2023 anakamba kuti alisiwe futi panapo patatu madezi futi abwaita anakuti alisi kwa sira ndemo amakambira so chabe kwamba furungati moyena kulira ine ndi first time kubera mwana akamba wasaizi kabena verapo but kumobadwa na meno numavera tuma bado
nambera alira abwambo itana kalifo alisiwe namfunza ati alisi mwana wako akamba chani ati antiani tana zina yanga demwe na chokera nati mama bwani mvere mwana wali sakamba kuno.
His 15-year-old mother is afraid to talk to the ZNBC News crew for unknown reasons, but the family says she is traumatized and needs counseling.
Kambisa wakabolewa kamukambiseko ndani wa chiki mwana wakaena alina chiki maningi anani kanka ine nimuza mwana alida tenga mwana ni kunikanka kunimira kunikanka ati si mwana wanu mule kate mwana alide olo alide ni wanu mwana niye nkhani ili pano patu pa nyumba mama kwa sira.
Head woman Chikongoto, who is also the great-grandmother of the baby, is appealing to well-wishers to assist the baby with clothing and food as he has outgrown the few clothes that he has.
Gambia twalonda kaita tunatuchinyufa wa mwana munini kwamba wamyenshi obiro twaninga kufinyufa bomu babyesu mufishi mulamfu mwayo mwana ukwakamba bati muno mwesu apa nkokwiya kubona woyu mwana utokamba uchiri munini ono kale atimva livita nawo amena meno mwana bamba yu mwana ngwa marwesa.
The residents of Chongwe are in shock over this bizarre story. Patricia Mapiki, ZNBC News.
For those of you that may not be aware, kuchongwe na kubukeri yashi iliweli yashi litenshe sonde isha kutira ngole umfwa kukanka isha kutira nerenda lyapona ati umwana ukwete fyemie shishibiri nangula mwebene muchisungu ati 2 months natampo kulanda ichintu ichakutira ati nachipapusha abena mushi chautira nabalomba nabaedimani utira turelombo utira iyi family ururupwa mulutamfye muno mushi bantu nachibaponya pamusawo utira omwana okwete fyemie shibiri nefiponji tamuli nameno ichakutira olo mwamubika okuti yekalete tyayikalire nangulo okwenda tetyenderero natampo kulanda according kubena mushi baletira takwabe ekintu kya musango oyu bale kita suspect ukutira fibande finangula kulifi chitike kululurupwa turelombo utira mutamfyo lurupwa mondo akwe batwala letweshamo muno mushi kuchongwe kulya kuchikongoto village. Awe sure ichiponeshe sonde makamaka chakutira tuyu mwana olona bamubika banina kulya kurumwa lelila limbi bali busy bali pya ngata alapunda enokulandira pofe utira alo Alice shitala taule mfati ndelira kuno sonsende ichintu ichiletira katina ichotira ngole umfawe sure kutino kukanka noti filia tuisa mkubaba na kutira ule guessing utira bishe chinsha lelira uyuwe nalalandote Alice ndine nsala kuno ukuleta wabutuka bani nawe kubutauka uti kutwala omusungo utira balisho mwana ichintu ichipapwishe sonde nganshi abana benge abatukwata mayanda ishautira tuli mweni uli mweni wambo kwangala na kamwana hello hey baby hey, she's very cute hi hello uyuwe na kukwebera pongoli wachikwela utira bashimalama mbikeni panshi bashimalama ntuleni mbike mwasambile lisa ichintu chakweba tingole umfwa kutina ukukanka kwa nerenda lyapona olo na mumubika kulya kurumu chakweba tayo nawira asukobwa kulukolo uyu mwana kupunda kulandira po you don't need to start guessing usha chinshi limbi alwala limbi ninsala na kukweba isaso mpipe nintwala ni njona wira kuno Alice pale wafika banina bafika bale mchinja awe shuare ale komenta no komenta aya madaipa mwashitile kwisa so ni kukamwala nalandali sauti la mukeshe ko hagizi looking at it from a positive angle ilidiashi as a father of the house you can literally just find out from the baby ngakwa chisa aba chisa kupangana. Is there anybody who came here? And the baby will give you feedback. You don't need CCTV. Or neighbors ukutila ushekuleza kwa muntu pa kula ndafe no mwana. Ni bana ni kuchekuleza kwa abantu pa panganda pano ili wachiba. Did you notice anything? Akwa suka utila akunweni ububwalwa munwa bantu ankani. Ulesa abanenu muno. Mwapena kubwalwa. I think God in his wisdom so it fit to that abana tafile balanda yo. Imagine watwala porridge watwalira omwana omusunga otya mumulishe namwipika atushinga ndilight nga ninshiriye abana ero aya kweberapo fyo kwa bulana okushinshikira utye imo muleli obwali mulendetero omusunga shitalaka ndetere nikasepa kuli. Excuse me.